Let's play ABC Roar. We're going to sing the ABC song, but when you hear a roar, a letter is missing. You have to say the missing letter. Are you ready? Here we go. Round 1. A, B, C.
Roar!
E, F, G.
Roar!
I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Q, R, S, T, U, V. W, X, and Z. Round 2. A, B, roar! D, E, F, G, H, I, roar! K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, roar! V, W, X, Y, and roar! Wow, you're fast! But watch out, it's getting harder!
Round 3. A, roar. C, D, E, F, roar. H, I, J, K, row. M, N, O, P, Q, roar. S, T, U, V, roar. X, row. Y, and Z.
Amazing! Can you handle the ultimate challenge? Let's go! Final round! A, roar! C, roar! E, roar! G, roar! I, roar!